Hi, my name is Ramone and welcome to the Mint cooking series. I'm going to be a personal chef today. I'm just going to show you some really cool Christmas hacks. So today we're going to start off by making a roast chicken gravy. Delicious. Taking out the chicken, and what's left is just the onions, the carrot and the garlic. All we're going to do is put it on top of the hob, a little bit of red wine, a little bit of stock. Good to go, done. That's your gravy. Very, very simple, but very delicious. So I know it doesn't look like much now, but get rid of the lemons. Have a little bit of red wine. As soon as we add the red wine, we're going to have that reduced by about half. A couple of drops of balsamic. And have a look, if you have a look as well, it's pulling all that onions, that caramelization, it's amalgamating and mixing with the garlic and the thyme and the rosemary. Once it's reduced by about half, all you want to do is then just add your chicken stock. Once you've added your chicken stock, have a little taste. That is so good. That is delicious. And it's almost thickening up as well. If you have a look, so we just squeeze out the garlic, have a little mix, have all those flavors mixed together. Just have a little taste as well. You see that color? Beautiful. You just need to thicken it slightly. Once the stock has reduced, the red wine has reduced, everything is just amalgamated together. I love that word, amalgamation. Everything is just combined together, reduced, and it's just nice and thick. If it still was a bit thin, you could add a little bit of corn flour, a little bit of arrowroot just to thicken up. But I don't know about you, but I think that's perfect. Get a sieve or strainer, and all we're going to do is we're going to just pour that all out in one. That's all the onions, the garlic, the thyme, the rosemary, the carrot, a little bit of the jus from the chicken bones. Lift that up. And even though that looks like an absolute horrible mess, if you look underneath, you have a really beautiful golden brown, dark, luxurious, delicious gravy. I have been your personal chef. Today we made a roast chicken gravy. Delicious. You've been with Ramone the Chef. We've cooked some delicious roast gravy. Like, comment and subscribe, and tune in for another recipe next week.